Hi students, in this class we are going to discuss about the very interesting topic, that is introduction to welding. This is unit 5 class 1. So all of you listen carefully. In this class we are going to cover these topics. First one is introduction to welding process. Second one is define welding process. Third one is practical applications of welding process. So before that, first we should know definition of the welding. How can we define welding process? How can we define welding process? So first let us see the block diagram of the welding machine. Block diagram of the welding machine. So this is our block diagram of the welding machine. So this is a welding machine, AC welding machine or DC welding machine, alternate current welding machine or direct current welding machine. It has two cables. One cable is connected to electrode holder, another cable is connected to work. So that's why this is called work cable, and the another cable is called electrode cable. So the electrode holder having two jaws. In between these two jaws we can insert the electrode holder. This is a filler material. So this is our arc. I will explain the block diagram of the welding machine in detail in the next class. Just observe this diagram. First, let us see the definition of the welding process. How can we define welding? See here, welding is the process of joining metal. What is the welding? What is the general definition of the welding means? So welding is the process of joining metals. So here we have a two rods. So these two are the rods. So here we have a two rods. So if you want to join these two rods by using the filler material or without using the filler material, by the application of pressure or without application of pressure, we can join these two metals. By creating the heat. So that process is called welding process. I hope you understand. Once again, see what is welding. Means welding is the process of joining metals. So how can we join two metals? There is a process. So what is that process? See here, by using the electrical current or gas or chemical reaction or laser or ultrasonic energy or friction or explode or etc, whatever it is, by using these applications, by using electrical current or gas, whatever it is, we can produce the heat. So by using this heat, we can melt the metal. So by using the filler material or without using the filler material, or no filler material, so we can join two metals. So this process is called welding. So finally, what is welding means? Welding is a process of joining metals. Or a fabrication process that joins materials, usually metals, permanently through the localized coalescence to become one. So coalescence of materials achieved by heating them to suitable temperature with or without application of pressure, by the application of pressure alone, with or without use of filler material, we can join two metals by a single piece. That is about welding. I hope you understand about the definition of the welding. Next, let us see the another definition of the welding process. This is a diagram, welding process diagram. So this is a electrode holder, hand gloves, face shield, and this is a workpiece. So how can we define welding process? Means, so welding is the process for joining different materials. Once again listen, what is welding? Welding is a process for joining different materials. Or we can define in other way. So how can we define welding process means? So welding is a process wherein metals are joined together by fusion. This is another definition. Or we can define in other way. The welding is a process of joining two or more similar or dissimilar metals by heating them to suitable temperature with or without application of pressure, or with or without use of filler material on flats. So that is called welding process. That is called welding process. Or we can define in other way. So there is another definition, that is, welding is defined as a localized coalescence of metals wherein coalescence is obtained by heating to suitable temperature with or without application of pressure and with or without use of filler metal. The filler metal has melting point of approximately the same as the base metal. Same as the base metal. The welding process is used to metallurgically join together two metal pieces to produce essentially a single piece of metal. That process results in what is known as permanent joint. A good welded joint as strong as the parent metal, that product is known as weld metal. That product is known as weld metal. So I hope you understand about the definition of the welding process. Definition of the welding process. Now let us see the practical applications of the welding. Practical applications of the welding. See here, by using welding applications are, we have there are plenty of applications in the real world. So they are welding processes used in the manufacturing of automobiles, in the manufacturing of automobile bodies. So, and also manufacturing of aircraft frames, in the manufacturing of railway wagons, in the manufacturing of machine frames and structural works, tanks, furniture, boilers, and general repair work and shipbuilding, etc. So these are the practical applications of the welding process. So let us see one by one. What is the first one? It is used, means welding process is used in the manufacturing of automobile bodies. This is the first one. See here, without welding we can't manufacturing the automobile bodies. See here, this is a automobile body. In the manufacturing of automobile bodies we use welding process. And similarly in the manufacturing of aircraft frames, in the manufacturing of aircraft frames we use welding process. And also in the manufacturing of railway wagons, in the manufacturing of railway wagons we use welding process. And also in the manufacturing of, or in the construction of machine frames, in the construction of machine frames we use welding process. If you want to construct this structure, so we use welding process. And also if you want to construct boilers and structural works, tanks, furniture and general repair work or shipbuilding, whatever it is, we use welding process. So I hope you understand about the definition of the welding process and the practical applications of the welding, practical applications of welding. I hope you understand. Thank you so much.